CES has increasingly become a grill show over the years, starting in 2020 when Weber showed off its SmokeFire smart pellet grills at the show in Las Vegas. The company is back this year with an all-new smart pellet grill, Searwood, which has a bunch of improvements that the company has learned over the last few years working with SmokeFire. On top of all of the Wi-Fi connectivity, connected recipes, step-by-step guidance, and all the things you would expect out of a smart pellet grill, the company has added new modes that allow you to cook with the lid open for things like griddling, smash burgers, breakfast, that sort of thing. That special mode changes, so instead of setting a set grill temperature, you set an intensity from 1 to 10 based on what you're cooking. Lower intensity for things like pancakes, medium intensity for things like bacon, high intensity for things like searing off a steak that you have smoked previously. On the Searwood, the company has opted for a cast aluminum construction that holds heat better, and the company has also redesigned the grease and ash management system for easier cleanup. The Searwood smart pellet grills will come in two sizes, a 24-inch and a 36-inch. The 24-inch will retail for $8.99 and the 36-inch will retail for $11.99. Both of which are supposed to be available this spring. In addition to a new pellet grill, the company has added smart features to its top-of-the-line Summit gas grills. The Summit line is the company's most premium gas grills, and to cater to that audience, the company has added an infrared burner in the top of the grill to allow you to sear off and finish foods that you have cooked at lower temperatures down below. Part of the smart features are a massive color touchscreen controller that allows you to control all aspects of the grill, from setting temperature to enabling that infrared burner in the top. And that color display also shows you where to place your food based on whether or not you're cooking direct or indirect, and based on what temperature you've set it to. Just like Weber's other smart grills, food probes are part of the equation, and the stats from those devices are sent to an app where you can monitor the grill from afar. And what's unique about this gas grill is you can also change the temperature without coming to the grill. Part of that new color display is temperature graphing, which is something that grillers and barbecue enthusiasts are obsessed with. And on this grill, it not only shows you a temperature graph of the grill itself, but also your food, so you can monitor progress along the way. Weber has also designed a new fuel management system with a scale that the gas tank sits on, so you know when you're about to run out of fuel, and the app will let you know so you can plan accordingly. The new Weber Summit Smart Gas Grill will start at $38.99 and debut this spring. For all the latest grill news from CES 2024, keep it locked right here at Engadget.